Hello, and welcome to the Email Editor tutorial video. Today, we're going to learn how to create and send an email. To get started, click on Messages on the left-hand side of the page, and then click on Compose on the top right corner of the page. Fill out a description. This field is for your own reference only. You can choose to send this email now or schedule it for a later date. To schedule this email, click on the drop-down menu labeled Schedule. For this video, we will select One-Time Message Now. Click on the plus icon by the To field to select a recipient. Check the box associated with the list or contact and click OK. Click on Email. Type in a subject line for this email. You can choose the email address that sends the message, and the email address that replies from subscribers will go to by using these drop-down menus. You can also add more email addresses to use by going into your account settings. Click on Design Email to start creating your email. This page is divided into two sections. The left is the Graphic Editor section, where you will be designing your email, and the right is where you will find the Editor Control Panel. The Editor Control Panel contains the different elements and properties for the different content types you can use to design your email. You can either design your email from scratch or choose one of our pre-designed templates. To select a template, click on the Select Template icon on the top right corner of the page. Click on Pre-designed Templates to see the entire gallery. Select the template you want to use and click OK. The template will automatically populate the graphic editor on the left side. You can click on the elements in the graphic editor to make changes to the email template. You can also add more elements by using the Editor Control Panel. The first panel is the Content panel. To insert an element from the Content panel, simply click and drag an element from the Editor Control Panel to the graphic editor on the left. You can insert a text box into your email by using the Text element. Click inside the newly added box to begin typing. There are different text editing options that will appear on the screen. You can change things like the font and the font size. You can insert links and also use the Mail Merge feature to insert a contact's custom data like their name. The Editor Control Panel on the right will automatically change to the Text Properties panel. This panel allows you to edit your text further. For example, if you want to edit the color of your text, click on the box associated with the Text Color field. You are not just limited to the colors you can see on the platform. You can also type in the hex code of the color you would like to use. Click on the X icon on the top right corner to exit out of the Text Properties panel. The Image element allows you to insert an image into your email. An image can be uploaded using the Image Properties panel on the right, or you can click and drag an image file from your computer straight to the Image element. To hyperlink the image, hover over the uploaded image and click on the Insert Link icon that appears. You can also adjust the padding of the image by either clicking on the plus and minus icons in the padding section or by typing in the desired number in the box. To insert a button into your email, click and drag the button element into the graphic editor. You can change the text on the button by clicking on the text. Hover over the inserted button element and click on the Insert Link icon to hyperlink it to a website. You can also insert a divider line into your email by using the Divider element. To change how your divider looks, use the Divider Properties panel on the right. You can choose the type, the color, and make changes to the padding. The Social element allows you to insert links to your social media pages. The Social Properties panel on the right enables you to choose which social media icons you wish to include. You can also choose how the icons look by clicking on the drop-down menu associated with the section called Icon Collection. Choose the specific social media platforms you wish to include in the section labeled Configure Icon Collection. click on Add New Icon and select the platform you wish to include. Enter the URL for that specific page in the text box to hyperlink it. You are not just limited to the graphical elements of our email editor. If you are familiar with HTML and want to import an HTML file, click and drag the HTML element from the panel to the graphic editor. You can type out HTML code on the page itself by typing in the HTML Properties panel. Alternatively, you can click on Select HTML to upload an HTML file. Another section of the Editor Control Panel is the Layout panel. The Layout panel contains different column styles that you can insert into your email. The columns allow you to design your email further by inserting content elements into different positions on the graphic editor. A newly inserted layout will have its own Row Properties panel. Click on the newly inserted layout element to make changes to the background color or the padding. You can make other changes on the Background Properties panel. This is where you can change the color of the entire email background or just the background color of the contents area. You can also change the default font of your email. You have the option of attaching files into the email you are creating. Click on the Insert Media button on the bottom right corner to attach a file. You can move, copy, or delete existing content elements on the graphic editor by using the icons that appear around the element when you select it. Once you are happy with how your email looks, click Close on the top left corner of the page. Tick the box next to Email. Agree to terms and click Send. A pop-up will appear letting you know how many contacts will receive this message. Click Send. And that's how you create and send an email. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.